Hey team, welcome back to Ross Spec. Today we're back out at Queensland Raceway. We're not doing performance laps this time, we're just doing happy laps. Just a nice little family session. And I'm in something a little bit different. My i30 Sedan. Now, I know what you're thinking, but don't worry. None of the other cars have gone. This one has replaced our family car. So why have we replaced our family car? Why have I replaced the family car? Well, we had a 2020 i30 N-line hatch in beautiful white, and that was our family getter. But unfortunately, we were coming back from the Sunshine Coast, and an old mate, he decided to park his Hilux in the boot of our car. So unfortunately, she was written off. So we were into the Hyundai dealership the next day, have a look what they had, and we really wanted an N. And because the hatch is so similar in the N as well to the hatch that we already had, I really wanted a sedan, and so that's how we ended up with this one. 2023 i30 N sedan. Now, this thing is ridiculous. It is more fun than it should be. It's only 206, maybe 207 kilowatts worth of power, but it uses every one of them so brilliantly. And the toys, so many toys. So we go to our screen here and go to our N mode. It's actually automatically figured out that we're at Queensland Raceway, and it's tracking my position on the track. If I go in here, I should be able to set the lap time up. I don't know how to start it. And then it makes all the right noises. We'll put it into N mode, makes the exhaust louder, stiffer suspension, and then the crackle. It shouldn't be this good. The thing's not perfect, absolutely not. There's so many little things that they should have done that they didn't. The worst is the front grille. Behind the front grille, you can actually physically see the crash structure, which just looks like, you know, styrofoam in behind the bumper. It's just right there. It also has the worst turning circle, which makes it a bit clumsy in shopping center parking and doing a U-turn. And the transmission itself doesn't really like going slow. It only likes going fast. Only Holdens. Won't subscribe to that one, I think. What do you reckon?
Yeah, probably not.
You know what I haven't even done?
What?
I've got to talk about that red button.
Have you put it on yet?
Nah, I forgot about it.
What's it do?
It gives me more power. More power, baby! I don't know how many times I can use it.
What is it, limited?
20 seconds, yeah. 20 seconds.
Push it and you get 20 seconds.
Yeah. 20 seconds of more power. Alright, here we go. Just give me some button.
Have you got it?
Yeah. I'm running out of time though.
I was going to say you went too soon. Too soon!
Too soon, Jesse. It's running out of time.
Time is out.
That's it. I'm running out of time.
And how long?
Hold OK to reset. Alright, so now...
Well, you reset it or?
Oh, that's my... I don't know how often I can use the red button.
That's
like whether
I
I can just run it out 20 seconds and then boom, bang it back in, or whether it gets limited after a while.
But no, you've overused it.
Alright, where do you reckon the red button? Better here?
I reckon you got too soon. Oh, no, you've got. In the N grid shift button?
There's a little bit.
A little bit?
A little bit. That, you know what that is?
No.
That's another problem with this car. It's got a really awesome, thick owner's manual that is this much shorter than the glove box.
Yeah.
And so when you do hard corners, it slides around. You hear it, thunk. We looked at the Subaru as well, the new one.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there's a freaking turtle on the road.
Bullshit.
There's a turtle on the road.
Oh,
I just had to dive around. He's not going to make it.
Dead.
He is not going to make it.
He is not. Shit.
Should we pull up, if it's still there, as though we're broken down, get the recovery guys to come in, and then we can move it off the road?
Do we really worry about it for a turtle?
There's a turtle.
There's a turtle on turn 6. Caution. Over.
He's probably been squished already. Poor guy.
Because there were so many cars going there. Bloody, you dodged him, but whatever.
Nah. Well, it's like he's almost the same colour as the road too.
Was he? I didn't even...
Just up here.
Just to see if you can see him. Oh, that's him.
That was him.
Oh, that's
he
him.
just didn't. Damn. Oh no,
him.
they got him too.
Oh, yep, that was him.
Damn it. Oh, I could have saved
The
him.
turtle did not make it.
I could have saved him. Oh, I'm going to go for some end button here. I've gone too early. Too soon, Jesse. Oh, I'm going to take my button. Go, mate. Got my button. See now they've got.
Oh, yeah.
Oh shit! It only gave me like 3 seconds then, so I must be running out of time.
Did it?
I hit the button and it only gave me 3
No.
seconds.
You've used it now?
You've used it.
No.
Oh, I've got a countdown.
Man, yeah.
I've just figured out that you can't just keep hitting the N button. The old N grin shift. I've just got a timeout. I need to wait another 32 seconds before I can use it again.
I like that it only gave you like a bloody 3 second.
It gave me what I had left, yeah.
So, no, this is all you get.
Oh dear, that's pretty funny. Okay team, that's it for now. Don't stress, none of the other Ross Spec vehicles have left the stable. We're still going to be doing stuff with them. This is just the new family rig. And being the last Happy Laps out here at QR of the year, I thought, why not take her out for a bit of a run. Let her stretch her legs. What a better way to run in a car than to giving her a few hits on the racetrack. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. And until next time, I'll catch you later.